there are many strategies that can be pursued at the same time, of course. But among them are legal measures that uphold and protect and promote people's rights, whether it's labor rights or human rights, often overlapping, the right to freedom of expression, the right to freedom of peaceful assembly and association, but also basic economic rights, like the right to a decent wage or to fair conditions of work. All of those rights are interconnected, and by upholding them, we also promote the new social contract. It's critical that employers, governments, and workers' organizations work together on comprehensive non-discrimination measures in businesses, in government, and also in workers' organizations themselves, so that there is a broad understanding that we need to include everyone for this agenda to be fully successful, and especially including those who are most left behind. So we talk about women workers, we talk about workers with disabilities who can make great contributions to the overall work environment, to government, and also as employers themselves. We talk about the formal sector, but of course we have to include the enormous informal sector who tend to be those who have least protections of all workers. That's one strategy. But there are many ways of including everyone, and we all need to be working on that and be aware of it at all times in every action that we take. The ILO plays a critical role in shaping and in implementing the new social contract. The ILO has the experience in bringing people together around complex and very challenging agendas, in promoting conversations and moving things forward, sometimes to places where we didn't even know it could go. For this, the ILO is a great convener. The ILO also has expertise in training and best practices from global experiences, which it can bring to a global conference and eventually to a new social contract. And the ILO is an authority and has the credibility for many, many years of working on these types of issues. It holds the trust of workers, it holds the trust of governments and of employers. And trust is at the heart of what we need if we want the situation for workers to improve as we move forward on this new and brilliant new social agenda.